Hey guys, welcome back to the Chief Life Kitchen. I'm Maddie, and today we've got a healthy yet tempting peanut butter fudge. Let's have a look at these ingredients.
Protein powder, dates, peanut butter, and water. Add your dates to the food processor first, then your peanut butter, topping it with your protein powder and water. Start with a little bit of water and we'll consistently add throughout the process. Pay attention to the buildup of ingredients on the side of the processor. If this happens, scrape it down. Continue to add water bit by bit. In total, we used 10 tablespoons of water for this mixture. Once your mixture clumps like this together, you know that you have the right consistency. Place your mixture into a lined baking dish, squishing all of the contents down to make it nice and even throughout your spread. Flip your fudge onto a cutting board and cut into 8 even slices. And there you have your delicious, mouth-watering peanut butter fudge.